Transform your vehicle's interior in heroic fashion and shield the floors from nasty dirt and grime with our electric Bionic car floor mats. These dynamic liners are fully charged and powerfully generated to protect your vehicle every day. The innovative design features tall outer ridges and deep channels, specifically engineered to trap dirt, mud, water, and more in their tracks. Plus, the vibrant striped heel pad is reinforced to stand up to the harsh scuffing of heavy boots and shoes. These ultra-tough mats are waterproof and a cinch to clean. Just rinse with soap and water and let air dry. The universal design features built-in trim lines for easy cutting, allowing for a perfect fit every time. And the heavy nib backing keeps the mats exactly where you want them. No nemesis in the world can stop these powerful, high-quality liners from protecting your floors. Guard your vehicle from any hostile environment with our striking electric Bionic car floor mats.